Nongpo MLA Meral Bonsi calls District Administration and National Highways Authority of India to be prepared for the risks posed by continuous heavy rainfall. Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha will organize a marathon on October 2nd, 2025 to raise awareness about the growing issue of drug use. And the Northeast Postal Circle to host the 36th All India Postal Football Tournament 2025-26 from September 15th to the 20th of 2025. Here's the news in detail. Deputy Chief Minister and Minister in charge of PWD Preston Thinsong laid the foundation stone for a 7-kilometer road project from Rambrai to Podumba on Saturday. The ceremony was attended by dignitaries including Hamletson Dawling, R.G. Momin, Gabriel Walang and other officials. During his address, Thinsong announced that construction would begin shortly and urged PWD officials to ensure high-quality work and closely monitor contractors. He also highlighted the significant development funding for the Rambrai constituency, noting that in a short period, the area has received sanctions for projects totaling over 32 crore rupees, a mix of state schemes and PM-GSY road connections.
Ngalor kanika state scheme pio ru saya ka PM-GSY kaban pendep lut sendon ya kanika lain kaban way point R not pra kilometer. Tikanir kanika way ka jingkerku ya pi parok hakabaya kanika kamu mentani ya sakmat. Te mene I MLA badon burom jomi ila kren yaki badang bon ba kisurok matrai bila asngau menela kren ya si kentin na kentin tang hakan nika kendiat por ila ai sanction nung duna ya ka laipo ar klur hapo karambrai constituency.
Nongpo MLA Meral Bonsi has called on the district administration and the National Highways Authority of India to be prepared for the risks posed by continued heavy rainfall. Following recent landslides that caused significant traffic disruptions on the busy Guwahati to Shillong highway, CM emphasized the need to ensure the route remains clear of commuters. In a separate but related appeal, the MLA also urged the Meghalaya government to help resolve the ongoing dispute between tourist taxi associations from both Assam and Meghalaya.
ATM Revenue Deputy Commissioner, even Nahai also, to be alert and to be prepared for any kind of circumstances that happen during monsoon, so that it won't affect the flow of traffic within National Highway 6 from Jorabat to Umiam and even towards Shillong and other part of the state. This is a concern. So with regard to the tourist taxi driver, I have nothing much to say, but as the government is there to look after, to see for the well-being of each and everyone. But I am very optimistic that the government will be.
The Voice of the People Party, or the VPP, has launched a scathing attack on the National People's Party-led MDA government, accusing it of failing to deliver on its promises after 8 years in power. VPP President Ardan Basayamoit stated that despite high public expectations, key development programs remain incomplete and the state is experiencing a rise in crime, including thefts and robbery. He alleged a disparity between the government's rhetoric in the assembly and its actions, claiming that those with close ties to the establishment are benefiting at the expense of ordinary citizens.
What we can see is that there's still a lot of pending issues that are yet to be addressed. Then a lot of pending development. You look at the road sector, you see at the progress of this these development I don't see that there are really some good thing, which can become spectacular in a sense.
The Ribhoi Dorbar and the Ribhoi District Sports Association, or the RBDSA, have expressed profound grief over the death of former Chief Minister Dr. D.D. Lapang, who passed away on September 12, 2025. In their joint condolence message, the two organizations paid tribute to Dr. Lapang, recognizing him as the founder of both the Ribhoi Dorbar and the RBDSA. They described him as the heart of these institutions and praised his lifelong dedication to the welfare and development of the Ribhoi district. In a mark of respect, the Ribhoi District Administration has declared September 15, 2025 a district-wide holiday. The Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, or the BJYM, will organize a marathon on October 2, 2025 to raise awareness about the growing issue of drug abuse in Meghalaya. BJYM President Mewakir Lingdo announced that veteran marathon runner Kamoin Lang will serve as the brand ambassador for the event. Online registrations are open for all interested participants. Lingdo said the initiative aligns with the Prime Minister's Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan, a national mission to create a drug-free India by encouraging rehabilitation and offering new life to those struggling with addiction.
So this is how India is fighting the war against drugs, and there could not have been a better person or a better icon in our state other than Kongkumoy Walang, who will be our brand ambassador to drive home a message of a Nasha Mukt Bharat, that is a drug-free India or a drug-free Meghalaya. So we invite all the young people, our NGO, our friends from GNGO, various NGO groups, our friends from various universities, colleges and schools to come and participate in this marathon, which will be scheduled on the 2nd of October 2025.
The Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya, or FASTM, held a general body meeting on Saturday in Tura to finalize plans for an agitation program. The protest is aimed at drawing attention to the long-standing issues faced by ad hoc teachers in the state, including low pay and a lack of benefits. FASTM leaders voiced their frustration with the Meghalaya State Education Commission's report, stating it failed to address the grievances of ad hoc teachers. The Maulantriang Village Council under the Eastern West Khasi Hills District organized a large public protest on Saturday demanding swift and strict justice for Bunsiodor Nongrang, a 26-year-old youth who was brutally attacked with a sharp weapon on September 6, 2025. The protest, held at the Dorbar Hall of Maulantriang, drew a large crowd of villagers, including school children, teachers and members of the VDP, women's groups and youth organizations. Participants carried placards to condemn the criminal act. Village leaders, representatives of the Khasi Students' Union, or the KSU, and VDP members delivered powerful speeches, collectively urging authorities to take firm and uncompromising action against those responsible for the attack and to prevent such criminal activities in the future.
Sang samaj nam hi barabawai dagoi ke sur ni yang bagin keempat di buat punya jang Islam lagi kom kini ki riu penjat ya ke imlang kesalang badali nei kinam la shu banlat na ke keti jang ai bagin pencidom kini ki riu transnam na ke jing pencidom ke bakhantang nama lada kum kini ki riu kimpan na ke imlang kesalang kanu ke jing ting ke jing semit babang ya bang yang kan.
A memorial prayer service was held today at Ribhoi College to honor the life and legacy of former Chief Minister of Meghalaya and Nongpo MLA Dr. D.D. Lapang, who passed away on September 12, 2025. The service, which brought together various community members, including representatives from schools, colleges, social and church organizations, the Ribhoi Dorbar and elders of the district, was a final tribute to the revered leader. The event took place at the memorial monument of Dr. Lapang, which was constructed by Young Minds Riboy under the guidance of Isin A. Hinge, the current MDC of Umroi constituency. Nongpo MLA Meryl Bonsi Aim led the program with Nongpo MDC Rona Kumdait and other dignitaries also in attendance.
Nongpo constituency akaba ila sekri palat ia ka saupusan snem kumunong nikmat san snem kumu chairman apo ka state planning board ban ada nyu tang kamba bahagi ba imahe Dr. di Lapang ilale kidon shibun ban papapor kanok sya ini jeri kita ban na preng jung phiro ki bubu ni tip ki matti ki ba ilale.
The National People's Party, or the NPP, officially welcomed Lurshai Kharbani, an independent member of the District Council, into the party during a ceremony at St. John Parish Hall in Ramrai on Saturday. NPP State President Preston Thinsong, along with other senior leaders including Hamletson Dotling, Himalaya M. Shangpliang and Nongstoin MLA Gabriel Watlang, attended the induction. Thinsong expressed his pleasure at finally welcoming Kharbani, noting that the move was the result of multiple meetings.
Iba Lurshai nilai syom lah unsin, bad UMLA jom hiru nilai syom lah unsin, bad kabakadu impoi syarikat lipat kasni kabak kerpang kabak ngabdian skobang kerpang ki leaders ki nongyalam jom iba Lurshai ba iba momen ban ngas ngurong ru yakin nongyalam jom dapati LPP syua begini ki lambah ke manjoy ki yaine komala ong neru rambah mane bat ngin yai penting tatri yakne kakam hangi hapo Ramrai constituency.
Shillong, often referred to as the football capital of the Northeast, is set to host the 36th All India Postal Football Tournament from September 15th to the 20th, 2025. Organized by the Northeast Postal Circle, the event will feature 10 teams from various postal circles across the country, including West Bengal, Jammu and Kashmir, Delhi, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. The tournament will be played at 4 venues, including the Shillong Sports Association ground at Polo, the Sports Authority of India ground at Nehu campus, the Assam Rifles ground at Happy Valley and the Maushboit ground. Sanjeev Ranjan, Chief Postmaster General of the Northeast Circle, will inaugurate the event on September 15th at the SSA ground.
Northeast Postal Circle is going to organize 36th All India Postal Football Tournament in Shillong from 15th to 20th of September. The football tournament will continue. We have teams from 10 states across India, that is Northeast, West Bengal, Jammu and Kashmir, Delhi, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala.
A 2-day swimming competition for children and youth organized by the Riboy District Sports Association and its swimming committee successfully concluded yesterday at Trills Fun Park. The event showcased the skills and determination of young athletes from across the district. The final day featured exciting contests, culminating in an awards ceremony where prizes were distributed to the winners. The event was attended by notable guests, including KSU District President Ferdinand Kharkamni and Umsning Police Station Officer in Charge Stephen Kharkrang, along with leaders from the Meghalaya Swimming Association and the RBDSA. The first Open to All Master Veteran Badminton Tournament 2025, organized by the West Jaintia District Badminton Association, or the WJDBA, successfully concluded yesterday at the Sinrai Indoor Hall. The two-day event drew participants from Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and all 12 districts of Meghalaya, competing in various doubles categories for players aged 35 and above. Jowai MLA Wailadmiki Shila attended the semi-final matches, commending the players and the WJDBA for organizing the event and highlighting the importance of sports for young people. The Fort Meghalaya Open Table Tennis Cash Prize Tournament 2025 concluded on Saturday at Lapang Sports Club Indoor Hall, showcasing impressive skill and sportsmanship. Organized by the Lapang Sports Club Table Tennis Academy, the two-day event drew over 150 participants from Meghalaya, Delhi, West Bengal and Assam. The tournament, which featured competition across various categories for attractive cash prizes, was attended by South Shillong MLA Sanbor Shulai at the closing ceremony. And now for the weather. First, let's look at the report in Tura, where the minimum temperature was 24 degrees Celsius and the maximum at 27 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 84% with rainfall measured at 21 millimeters. In Shillong, the minimum temperature was 19 degrees Celsius while the maximum was 21 degrees Celsius and relative humidity at 88%. Rainfall was measured at 27 millimeters. Meanwhile, in Jowai, the minimum temperature was 19 degrees Celsius with the maximum at 22 degrees Celsius and relative humidity of 89%. Rainfall was measured at 27 millimeters. The forecast in Tura, Shillong and Jowai say moderate rain and thunder showers are likely to occur at most places. And for our viewers, here's a quick recap of today's top stories. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong lays the foundation stone for a 7-kilometer road project from Ramrai to Podumba. Nongpo MLA Miral Bonsi Aim calls District Administration and National Highways Authority of India to be prepared for the risks posed by continued heavy rainfall. Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha will organize a marathon on October 2nd, 2025 to raise awareness about the growing issue of drug abuse. And the Northeast Postal Circle to host the 36th All India Postal Football Tournament 2025-26 from September 15th to the 20th of 2025. That brings us to the end of today's news edition. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.